So this video is all about you. I know we haven't actually met. Good luck with me. Hi, my hair is wet. I already have foundation on because I forgot that I was going to record a video. So hi. If you read the title of this video, which you probably didn't because you just clicked on a video because it was of me, you wouldn't know, but I'm going on a date. I know. And I gotta do my makeup for it because I'm not gonna let somebody for the first time see this. Yes, we met on Tinder. I'm not ashamed to say that. I've been on many Tinder dates. They've never surpassed the one date though, so I have no hope, but that's okay. Obviously, like I said, I already kind of started on my foundation. Yeah, so yeah, how's your day going? We're going on a coffee date, if you care, and yeah, so no food, and you know, I gotta be fashionably late by at least 5 minutes because I'm always the first one to show up to dates, and then it's just awkward because I'm like standing in the corner like, hi, isn't the girl the one that's supposed to be running late? Does this match my skin tone? Yeah. I don't really have high expectations, not because like it's Tinder or him himself, it's just I have been out of the dating game for like a solid like actual relationship, not like, you know, you see me on Instagram with a guy for like 2 weeks straight, not those ones, like an actual relationship. It was my first relationship, my first boyfriend, and I haven't like actually had a boyfriend since, and so it's almost been 2 years. I feel as though guys, once I stop chasing them, they're over it. They're like, oh, well now I got the girl, so I don't want her anymore. I am not a piece of meat. I maybe and might look like it, but I think I'm a pretty cool person. Oh my gosh, I don't want to do this. In all honesty, this kid watches my, hi. So this video is all about you. I know we haven't actually met. Good luck with me. I am what they say, a handful. I don't know what I want to pursue in my life. This is not it, but here we are. This is quite a hobby. When you tell people, oh, I do YouTube, your voice kind of trembles and you pray that they don't judge you hardcore and walk the other way. But it's not always the case. Oh, it's so cold. Here's a segment that I like to call I Get Very Quiet because I'm going to focus on doing my eyebrows and I can't speak or move while doing so. Please enjoy this music, royalty free. I don't know what is playing right now, but it's probably very, very relaxing. Alright, here we go. Don't pay attention to me. Just listen to them. The calming sounds, the river below your feet. Hey, Daddy.
That was easy.
I'm not funny today. God, this video is I'm not funny. What's more natural than a lash? I'm gonna try talking while doing my eyeliner. Well, I probably should let this dry first. Ew, there's an eye booger. Ew, that was really gross. Good enough. Thanks for watching this YouTube video. Quick thing. Do not, under any circumstance, okay, like, ready for this? Do not change who you are to impress this human being. Because if they don't like you now, they're not gonna like you when you're actually you, and you can't put on a front because then you're gonna be miserable for the entire relationship. So do not wear something that you wouldn't wear normally. If you think it's normal, don't put it on. Put on that jean jacket that you wear every single day for the rest of your life and freaking be who you are. Because let me tell you, I've gone into so many dates being like, this is what a normal person would wear. And then I'm like, wow, they're gonna think that I'm exactly like this. And then they're gonna be disappointed when they find out that I don't ever look like that. And on the first date, just tell them that you have that YouTube channel that nobody watches, okay? I don't think these look that great, but I don't want to do this. Cool. You might be thinking to yourself, well, Rylee, you just said to be exactly who you are. Is there a day that I go without wearing lashes? Not really. I think the most nerve-wracking part of a first date is, and not like ever meeting them before, is the moment that you meet, because you're like, okay, like, is this boy gonna look exactly like what his pictures look like, or is he gonna be like some old man from Milwaukee or something? You never know. Ah! This is where things go wrong. Okay. Proud of being American. Get the man to die. Hope this land God. Oh, and this is also the worst.
Please don't come for me, my lashes dried, I promise. GCEE.
Thing. Do you hug or do you handshake or neither? I've also gone on a date with somebody from Tinder who drove 2 hours to meet me, and now he's famous. Hey! And I'm gonna do some nude lip, I think. Maybe not, maybe just wear my chapstick. But this is the look! So sorry this was so boring. I'm just not, I don't know where my game is. It's obviously non-existent, so there's that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I look hot, but please tell me in the compliment. I know I'm hot, so please leave. I know I'm hot, but you can still leave some comments in the comments below if you want to comment, because, you know, help my self-esteem, please. Thank you. With that being said, thanks for watching this video into my dark soul. I'll keep you updated on the date. Why not? Why not? Alright, deuces.
Here's the update you have all been waiting for. There has been a second date planned. We have hung out twice since. IDK, what else to say? So that is all. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the best YouTube channel out there.